everybody, do a quick short video. I had my police trade-in firearm. This is the Colt lower and the Windham upper. I had it changed into a short barrel rifle or an SBR, and I got the tax stamp for it. This was built by Ranger Supply in Fort Wayne, Indiana. The guy's name is Russ. He did a really good job on it. It's got a fixed handguard, and it has an Olight laser flashlight combination. I'm not real thrilled with. The adjustment seems a little sketchy on the laser, but I'll have to work with it some more and see how I may switch that out. Right now it's working. I spent a little bit of time sighting this in, and I really didn't want to put all that time on camera. I also have a Holosun green dot crosshair sight, which is amazing. And then I went and a magnifier, and it is a Faichi, I believe it's pronounced. I got that from Amazon. It works quite well. It has a zoom on it. It's a little fogged right now. It's a little cold out here, and it's kind of fogged. But other than that, I finally got that zeroed in. My iron sights, on the other hand, the front sight, I can't get the elevation I need. It's not right. I need to file down the front sight post, I guess, unless they make a shorter front sight post. It's not quite dialed in. The iron sights are not. I have to take that home and work on it. I've been working at 25 yards. I started at 7 yards. Got everything dialed in but the iron sights, which I will work on again. So my next video will probably be this gun and my other police trade-in, my Colt carbine. I completely switched the optics out. The sun that was on here is now on the other gun, and it also has a fixed handguard on it now as well. I'm surprised. It's 10.5-inch barrel. It shoots very well. It's very tight group down there at 25. So yeah, I will do a quick 10 shots, and then I'll take you down there, and then I do have to go home. So let me see how much I can get in the camera. Can I tilt it this way? Oh, I can. Now, I don't know if that's gonna, I don't know how that's gonna translate. So I'm gonna stop and start the camera again. All right, now, so right now, I'm at 25. I'm not sure how many rounds I have in here, but it's pretty well dialed in. I'm shooting just a tad high. Flyer. Back a flyer. Flyer 2. There we go. All right. So I want to make sure, oh, my laser's on. Shut that off. I shut the Holosun off. Okay. And then I want to put the lens covers back on my magnifier. Like I said, the magnifier is adjustable. That's a pretty cool feature. Now, the Holosun covers also act as a screwdriver for your adjustments. And right now, I'm happy with where they're at, so I'm putting these covers back on before I lose them. And the laser, I'm not thrilled with the windage and elevation adjustment on the laser. It's a little mushy. I'm not really liking it. It doesn't feel like it would stay fixed. I may switch that out to something else. But right now, it's good. I've been using the 10 round mags. They work really well. And all right, I'll take you down range at the break and show you what we did, and then I gotta go home. Okay, well, I have some appointments I have to attend to today, so I'm cutting this short. And I have to rotate the camera. So let's rotate the camera. And there we go. I could do tighter if I had that rested better, but you know, that's pretty doggone good with my SBR with a 10.5-inch barrel. Awesome. All right, so next time out, we'll play with it some more at 50 yards and see what that little barrel does.